Cut the purple cabbage in half. You cut the purple cabbage into pieces. Be careful not to cut your hand. The finer the iron, the better and easier to mix in salad. Next, peel the carrots into thin slices. Carrots are very good for health. You can add more carrots too. You cut the lettuce into small pieces. Next, you separate the boiled corn kernels. You separate carefully so that the corn kernels do not get crushed. You also cut the tofu into small pieces. Then put the tofu in the pan to fry. Yellow tofu you mentioned down. You put the shredded purple cabbage on a plate. Add lettuce, corn, cherry tomatoes, tofu, mayonnaise. You should add just enough mayonnaise so it doesn't get boring. Sesame sauce. You mix it up. Salad with roasted sesame dressing is a light, refreshing dish but very attractive because of the harmonious combination of fresh ingredients and special sauce. Crispy, fresh vegetables, from green lettuce, juicy cherry tomatoes to colorful purple cabbage, create a fresh feeling in every bite. The highlight is the roasted sesame sauce. The rich aroma of roasted sesame spreads as soon as you taste it. The sweet, slightly sour and rich taste of the sauce blends perfectly with the vegetables, making the dish rich in flavor without the need for any other spices. Add a little topping like cashews, roasted sesame or walnuts. The salad is not only delicious but also more attractive in both flavor and appearance. This is the ideal choice for those who love light, healthy but still full of flavor. Salad mixed with roasted sesame dressing is not only delicious but also refreshing and extremely suitable for healthy or weight loss meals.